So what we're going to do next is we're going to actually calculate and estimate the homeowner's insurance premiums. And what we're going to do is use an example and show you step by step on how to do that. Use table 19.4 to find the annual premium for a masonry home and if it is insured for $350,000 and the building is in zone 2 and the owner's credit rating is bad. A $1,000 deductible is selected. The owner also adds an endorsement for $8,000 in firearms. So the first thing you need to do is calculate the annual premium for the dwelling. So what we take is the price of the home, that insured for $350,000, we divide that by 100, and we find the rate from 19.4. So we know that it is a masonry home, so important information. So this was the amount of the premium. So that was the amount it was insured for. It's a masonry home, and we know it is in zone 2, and the credit rating is bad, with a $1,000 deductible. And the endorsement will leave that for later. So we know that it's according to 19.4, and I'll post this. So in table 19.4, there's frame regular, and then there's masonry. We're looking under masonry. There's zone 1 and zone 2, we're going to zone 2. For the $1,000 deductible, in zone 2, with a person who has bad credit, the rate is 86 cents. And once you do the math on that, so you take the $350,000 divided by 100, then you multiply it by the 86 cents, you'll end up with a price of $3,010. So that's what that is. Now, to step 2, you have to find the cost of the additional firearms coverage. So we know that this person wants $8,000 coverage in firearms. So that's the $8,000. You're taking the amount, the coverage desired, divided by 100, and then you're going to divide that by the rate for the endorsement. So that's where you go back and you look for the topic of firearms. So we look, it's an extended coverage of endorsement. So we go through it, firearms and accessories, that's $1.45 for that per year. So now when you do the math on that, you'll end up with $116. So now to find the total annual premium is what they want you to calculate. Total annual premium, you're taking the annual premium for the dwelling, which is $3,010, and you're going to add to that the cost of the additional firearms coverage, which is $116. And when you add that together, you get $3,126. And that's how you calculate the total annual premium.